Welcome to Maths Masterclass. In this episode, we're going a step further, literally, as we learn how to solve two-step equations in algebra. Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. In the last episode, we talked about coefficients, numbers that multiply a variable. Like in 3x equals 12, the 3 is the coefficient. We learned to solve that by dividing both sides. Now, what if the equation has two operations? Let's find out. This is a two-step equation. 2x plus 3 equals 11. It means double a number, then add 3, and you get 11. To find the number, we need to reverse those steps. But how do we reverse math? We use something called inverse operations, or opposites. Addition is undone with subtraction. Multiplication is undone with division, and vice versa. So to solve this equation, we undo each step, one at a time, using its opposite. Let's solve. 2x plus 3 equals 11. Step 1. Undo the plus 3. We use the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. Opposite of plus 3 is negative 3. Next, add negative 3 to both sides of the equation. 2x plus 3 minus 3 equals 11 minus 3. Plus 3 to 3 is 0, and 11 minus 3 is 8. Now we get 2x equals 8. Step 2. Undo the multiplication. We use the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So, we divide both sides by 2. 2 will cancel 2, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. That gives us x equals 4. Fun fact about algebra. Did you know? Solving equations is like unpacking a gift. You just remove one layer at a time, in reverse order, until you find what's inside. Algebra is just reverse math. Pretty cool, right? Let's try another example. 5x minus 2 equals 18. Step 1. We undo minus 2. The opposite of minus 2 is plus 2. Add plus 2 to both sides. 5x minus 2 plus 2 equals 18 plus 2. Negative 2 plus 2 equals 0, and 18 plus 2 equals 20. Now we get 5x equals 20. Step 2. We undo the multiplication by dividing both sides by 5. X equals 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Answer: x equals 4. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try these. We'll go over the answers right after. 1. 3x plus 5 equals 20. Subtract 5 from both sides. 3x equals 15. Then divide both sides by 3. X equals 5. 2. 4x minus 1 equals 15. Add 1 to both sides. 4x equals 16. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 4. 3. 6x minus 4 equals 8. Add 4 to both sides. 6x equals 12. Divide both sides by 6. X equals 2. How did you do? Let us know in the comments. In the next episode, we'll look at word problems in algebra, turning everyday situations into equations. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching Maths Masterclass.